Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to a new Airsoft video. First off, we want to thank you for the recent support we've had on the channel. It's been absolutely amazing, and we appreciate it very much. Anyway, on that, we are at the jail, and this is the locate and defend game, I'm going to call it, where we have to find a mannequin that is on a stretcher in one of the buildings and basically defend it until the end of the game. Whoever's defending it at the end of the game wins. So let's take a look. Go. Move. Can't see nothing.
Where is he, on this doorway?
Last time I saw one, he was on the wall closest to you, just round the corner. There's one on the right, it's a bit further back, I think. There's two down at the back. Blues, push up, push up.
On you, mate, behind you.
Okay, push up to our position.
One down in the back. That one there. Have we got a lad who's opening on the page?
Yeah, we've got a guy on the right. Blue, he's just been down. What we got?
Two on the right.
Going low.
Yeah. Just where this white van is. Just come to my right. See him on that white van just behind it, and the RCB.
Well, the left hand side or the right hand side?
There, look, see him, yeah?
Yeah, I see him. Got it.
I'll try and lay some cover fire.
I'm going to push up there. Going low.
Nice. Is that the door, two of them?
Bit further down. Past the van, don't peek the corner.
Someone want to pick this and get this guy behind this top before he comes. Yeah, you're clear. Where is he? Just behind him. Oh, he's down.
Got that.
Right, we got blues on the left.
Got blues on the right here.
Yeah. Right, we need to try and get on this left. It's still behind the van, watch out.
Get on the van.
Behind the van, right van.
Got it.
Nice. Go behind the container. Someone's going to try and... I'm going to try and go this side.
Down with the van. To this side. Container. To the van. What's that? Hold it. Go.
after a while of trying to fight through this long drag, we decide to fall back and try a different approach.
Hit! We got any blues back here?
I think the best idea is to pull back and try and go through the building because we get too open when we go out there.
Roger that, pulling back. Do not go around there, it's full.
Can't or can?
No, don't. I'm with you, watch out.
Clear? Yeah, can't be around here. Or your corner there.
-6, mate.
Location?
Left hand side, I've just passed the van, mate.
I think he's dead. Infiltration security on board. Can you hear me the windows? Same thing. Ooh, hits!
Sorry, man. Come through, come through. Oh, man.
Blue! Blue! Blue coming out?
Yeah. So when were they going? I just walked it and it didn't go off.
Blue!
Fucking quick.
Good thing it didn't go off.
Oh, yeah. The body's there, yeah. Okay.
What's that? There were blues in that room.
With the confirmed location of the objective, we now need to defend it from the enemy team.
We're good to clear that side.
I think so. Both you can get through that way.
There you go. In and out, in and around.
Coming through here or through here now. Straight. Let's hold. We've already moved it in there.
Orange. Straight out there.
Is he close left? He's not too close.
Keep watching the left, I'll watch the right, yeah? Keep it going, keep it going.
Holding this dirty little angle. I'm literally holding this door. Why don't you just close the door? Yeah. I doubt they will because you guys are here. But if they get in through that door here, they can come around the back of you through there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, what? Yeah, if they get in that door there.
It's latched. Door's latched.
Ah! Fucking hell, I'm shooting that! Yeah, dead man! Dead man!
I don't know, keep checking that corner though.
One in the white barrel. Hit!
What the
Cross,
fuck?
cross.
Oh. Okay.
Dead man, walk in! Dead man coming!
Oh, hit, good shot.
Dead man coming out! Dead man! You're a fast one, aren't you? Marshall here, that's all right.
Yeah, I want. We need help. Are we?
Well, that was a little too close for comfort.
Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out!
Hit!
We've got grenade killed, and there's about 3 breached that doorway.
Right, just heard there's 3. 3 have breached in there.
3 have breached in there?
Yep. I don't know, I've got to find out.
Are you still in the building, Harry? Yeah. Are you on the body? You're in there. I'm in there?
Yes.
I don't know, wait. Harry, you on the body? Blue? Alright, coming in, we're coming in.
Blue, check your right, check your right.
They're all in.
Previous building secure, Kurt. Previous building secure.
Took it back, yeah?
Yeah, good to come back, mate. Good to come back. All blue.
Oh, we asked for this. Oh, you just tried
Roger
to
that.
this baby. Back to black. Back to black. Yeah!
Got anything? So anyone down there? No.
I don't know what's around that side. I don't know if there's people on the other side here because the door keeps opening and closing because I keep seeing it go dark and light, but I don't know if it's us or them.
Okay.
We've got enemies down the end.
There was shots down there about 2 minutes ago on to the left.
Yep.
I don't know who they were.
Okay, fine. Keep checking that angle, I'm going to push. Oh, sorry, dude.
Does it add if I punch the grenade?
One kill.
Blue, coming in.
Marsh to red.
Dead man!
Far down to the left. Can do, yeah. Yeah.
Come on, watch this side, man. Just left.
Oh, you look. Come on. Go on. Push round. Down our cover.
Good kill, bud. Good kill. Receive a grenade. Dead man, put through for grenade. Dead man. Dead man coming through. Sorry, bud.
Right, someone push to this right. We need this doorway. Dead man, come through. We need this door. We need that door clear.
You're out, mate.
Blues, blues, blues. Yo, what's in here? Blue, blue. Blue in the building, guys.
Blue in the building, blue in the building. Blue, blue, blue.
Blue coming in, blue coming in.
Blue.
Blue, blue, blue. Yeah, blue. Blue, blue.
Swaying in the shadows.
Yeah, I'll say we've got one friendly in the right. Yeah, he's gone out to the
Looks
left.
like
He was sat on the right. What's that? Right, so he's gone down back. Yeah, he's gone down back. Right.
It might not go off.
Is there any left up there now?
No, there's
I'll look here. But I thought it was can go off.
Big shot here as well.
Yeah.
Behind the doorway.
Blue on the corner? Yeah. Blue. You blue? Yeah, he's blue. Blue. All blue. Dead man coming in.
Marshall stepping out.
Blue on top. Just be careful, they are pushing this way. It's going too far. Right, fucking get ready to fight. You push us to here, cover this one here, I'll cover you.
Outside.
Okay, go. Thank you. Where are we going?
I believe so.
You have this outside? You push it on here, someone will say, oh, where's someone going?
At this point, I think I hear someone behind me, and once I do look round, there is indeed an enemy. We exchanged BBs, and at the time, didn't think I hit him, but as you can see from Carl's perspective, later on he walks down the hallway, so I'm counting that as a kill. And with that enemy walking by the doorway, that is pretty much the end of the game. We managed to successfully defend the mannequin until the end of the round, and we won the game. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on the video, comment down below, and best of all, subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you on the field.